Hey guys, welcome back. A new OTA update is rolling out for Oneplus 7 Pro users, which is for the beta channel. Previously we had received Open Beta 8 for Oneplus 7 Pro, and today we are receiving Oxygen OS Open Beta 9 after almost 40 days from the previous update. I received the OTA update few hours before and I have updated Oneplus 7 Pro to Oxygen OS Open Beta 9 because previously I was running Oxygen OS Open Beta 8. Here you can see my Oneplus 7 Pro is running on the beta channel and version is Beta 9. Talking about the software information, Open Beta is based on Android 10. Security patch remains the same, which is 1st Jan 2020. And the same security patch was available on the Open Beta 8. Most of the users have started receiving this OTA update, but for those who haven't received the update till now, a complete zip file of the full ROM and an incremental update is given in the description below. Just download that file and place it inside the internal storage. Incremental OTA update size is 229 MB. Once you have downloaded and placed it inside the internal storage, you just need to go to settings, system update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you should see the file over here. You just need to tap on that file and device will install latest Open Beta on your Oneplus 7 Pro. And if people wants to migrate from stable to beta channel, then you can always do a local upgrade which won't affect your data. It's not a major update. Few enhancement and optimizations have been done under system. Zen Mode version have been upgraded, and then they have done few fixes under weather application. With this update, launcher version is 4.2.4. No new additions have been done under launcher. And the camera version have also been updated to version 3.8.109. Now let's take a look at the changelogs one by one. So first one under system, it says enhanced one-hand usage for dialer app. So let's open the dialer app first. So guys, you let me know what difference you have noticed here. But if I compare it with my OnePlus 6T, you'll definitely notice a difference in the layout of dialer app. On this latest beta, they have decreased the size of the keypad by which we can easily reach out all the numbers using your one hand, which was not possible on the previous update or the previous dialer app. So here they have done few enhancement for one-hand usage. With this latest beta, OnePlus have also removed the one-handed mode which was added on the previous Open Beta, which was Oxygen OS Open Beta 8, which was a quite handy feature, was available under quick gestures. But now we don't have any kind of options of one-handed mode. You guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want that feature back on the upcoming builds. Later they have optimized the network for better gaming experience. After that, under system they have updated the security patch to 1st Jan 2020, which I have already shown you. This was available on the previous Open Beta also. And lastly, under system, they have improved system stability and fixed general bugs. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to Zen Mode, and now they have updated the Zen Mode version to version 1.5, which says supported OnePlus account login, synchronization of badges, and historical data. So let's open up this application, which is Zen Mode, that can be found inside the quick setting panel. Tapping on this will open up Zen Mode application. Now going to settings, and here you can see you'll find a new option to log in with your OnePlus account. Now we have the latest version of Zen Mode, which is version 1.5. And with this new addition, now you can directly sync your data to your OnePlus account. And last changelog is related to weather application, which says fix the weather app crashing issues. So I've never faced any kind of issues with the weather application. Basically, I don't use this weather application much. So if you guys have faced any kind of crashing issues, then do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, these were the complete changelogs of Oxygen OS Open Beta 9 for OnePlus 7 Pro. And now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and AnTuTu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 750 and multi-core have scored 2742. With AnTuTu benchmark application, device have scored 4,69,757. So guys, this was all about the latest Open Beta for OnePlus 7 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.